To stocks on the editor's radar, and today we've got large cap, private bank, Kotak Bank in the spotlight. Jefferies bullish, buy with a 2,400 rupee target price.
See, yesterday it was HDFC Bank, last week it was IndusInd Bank, and now we have Kotak Mahindra Bank. You would say, okay, it's old wine in the same bottle. But sometimes the story has to be told when the story is good. And I think that's the story, which you want to bring out with a stock like Kotak Mahindra Bank. Now, it's very simple. Markets are worried about the migration after Mr. Kotak's exit. That's a valid concern. That is one of the big reasons why, let's say, HDFC Bank has also underperformed, and that in a sense had also hit ICICI Bank. But is the margin of the safety now telling you that whatever the migration or whatever the transition concerns are they in the price? And that's where I want to go back to. This entire view from Jefferies, I would like to endorse it by simply saying that whatever they are saying right now in terms of the transition issue, that is something I think it is quite valid. B, I always look at valuations. Whatever may be the situation, what is the buying price? What is the margin of safety? What is in the price? And for me, that I think this graph tells you the real neat, nice story. Kotak Mahindra Bank, now the yellow bar is LNFS. This is pre-COVID, and now it is post-COVID. Okay, has the shape of the economy post-COVID become better or worse? Avanne, let's understand.
Better. It's
become better. So what should happen to banks which have a supreme asset quality and which have a supreme NPA trajectory? They should be trading at a premium to where they were.
Yeah.
They're trading at a discount.
Yeah.
Look at the current valuation. Similarly, for ICICI Bank, it's the reverse which has happened. And for HDFC Bank, it's actually the reverse. I think the reason why these valuations, the stocks have come down is because they were overowned. Everybody had invested in them. FIs have sold out. And suddenly, the rest of the financial space was looking much more attractive. But I think it's now time to go back to basics and say that, okay, where is the margin of safety in this market in financials? I think it still lies with large cap stocks. And the price is just so... The margin of safety is just so attractive that the risk if you invest in some of these large banks now, especially Kotak and HDFC Bank, I think is on our side.
Okay, there you have it. That's interesting analysis there, Aisha, on Kotak Bank and some of these other private banks when it comes to valuations. Oh, yeah.